So this is no longer a warning, it's now a war. Because while the rest of the world are still grieving over the Air India crash that took over the life of 290 people, Israel was busy sending missiles to Iran. Missiles that destroyed their cities and even killed so many people. And they called it the Rising Lion, which means the war has not even started. This is the beginning. And to be honest with you, these people did not wake up one morning and decided to attack Iran. They sat down with pen and paper, write down where they need to attack, what they need to destroy, the cities they need to attack, how they can cripple Iran from attacking them back. Because tell me, how would they target their military base, their nuclear weapon, their military equipment, the houses of their commanders? They ended up killing two top generals in Iran. And not just that, they killed two Iranian nuclear scientists. They tried to make sure that whatever Iran will use in coming back to fight them, they'll have to cripple all of it. Of course, you know Iran is not going to keep quiet. They actually sent their response because they prepared 100 drone missiles and sent it to the major cities in Israel. Cities like Jerusalem, Tel Aviv, and Haifa. Now, based on the fact that Israel has already launched an attack, they were expecting Iran to retaliate. So they were waiting for them to send down their own missiles, which they shot down some of them. While some of the missiles ended up killing at least 10 people and over 200 people is brutally injured. While Israel called their own the Rising Lion, Iran named their own the True Promise. These two countries in just 2025 has turned Middle East into a fighting zone, and this is making it more difficult and more dangerous for people to visit these countries. They have turned it into a war zone. Now you can watch some of this clip online of different missiles flying different angles, destroying people, destroying properties, destroying people's life. Imagine that you can be sleeping with your family in your house, all of a sudden you hear boom. That is a missile that either fired by Israel or Iran coming directly to your house. That could be the last time you see your family. That could be the last time you could talk to your family. But let's be honest here. Israel started all of this. They have all of these things calculated, planned, and they executed it successfully. Now, on a news within last year or earlier this year, we heard about Iran smuggling weapons, buying so many heavy equipment, and they were planning to attack Israel. If you hear that your neighboring countries are buying weapons, buying heavy equipment to attack you, probably to protect yourself, the best way is for you to retaliate first. To tell them, Omo, I still want to. That is what I think Israel did. Because, Omo, to be honest with you, if not that Iran is among the list of countries that has fighting equipment, they could have crippled these people down to zero and take full control over them. So how is this affecting the people in these countries? Of course, you know when two countries are in a war, so many things will go wrong. The citizens or the civilians are the people to pay the price. Properties will be destroyed. Prices of things